trying to be proactive this holiday season and grab all the gifts for my family early. But what about for me?
Ho, ho, ho.
God?
No, no, no. It's me, the holiday spirit. Your perfect gift is on your left. Go and check it out.
Whoa, look at this property. I'm digging this floor plan. Big windows, character fireplace. I can't wait to explore more of this house. Whoa, great designated dining space, flows into this kitchen, nice granite countertops. I'm really digging this space. Thanks, Santa.
You're welcome, dear boy. Go and check out the rest of the house.
Oh yeah, fully finished basement with an additional 2 rooms and a full bathroom. Santa, you naughty dog, this is exactly what I was looking for. Boy, everything was knocked off on this gift list. This is the perfect gift for me this holidays. Thanks, Christmas spirit.
You're welcome, Sandeep. Don't forget to go check it out with your local real estate agent. Ho, ho, ho!